Hi viewers, we want to look at how we can solve this composite function on the board. From the question, we have f of x, which is x plus 3. And we also have g of x, which is
x squared.
and we have been asked to find g of f of x. So first of all, we are looking for g of f of x. Okay, mathematically, f of x, which is the one in the bracket, is given to x as x plus 3. Okay, which implies that g of f of x will be g of x plus 3. Now, how can we simplify g of x plus 3? It means that we have to use g of x function, which is given as x squared. What it means is that anywhere we see x in this function, we are going to replace it with x plus 3. Okay, so we can say that g of x plus 3 will be equal to x plus 3 all squared. And mathematically, we can simplify this as x plus 3, x plus 3. So let us expand the bracket now. X times x will give us x squared. X times 3 will give us 3x. 3 times x will also give us 3x. And 3 times 3 will give us 9. So we can simplify this expression as x squared plus 6x plus 9. So mathematically, our g of f of x will be given as x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now, we have been asked to evaluate, that is, g of f of 2, okay? Which, since we find this, it will make the whole work simple. So we are going to use g of f of x function, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9 to simplify this. So what it means is that anywhere we see x in this function, we are going to use 2 to replace it. So we have g of f of 2 will be equal to 2 squared plus 6 multiplying 2 plus 9. So 2 squared will give us 4, and 6 times 2 will give us 12 plus 9. So 4 plus 12 plus 9 viewers, we are going to have 25. So this is how we can solve this composite function. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you.